Hello, and welcome to the Fright Chronicles. My name is Ashley Graves, and on today's episode, we bring you back to Spirit Halloween because it's going to be his first time going inside and checking out all of the animatronics. And not only that, but we're going to look at the costumes and we're going to look at the home decor as well. You know, Declan, I have a feeling that we're being stalked by someone. I just don't know why I'm getting that feeling. Do you feel the same way?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go inside and check out more of Spirit Halloween and join us on this spooky adventure. So the cool thing about this Spirit Halloween is this used to be our Big Lots here in Riverside, California. And on my other channel that I was previously on, the Black Hearts Club, I documented this a lot. So this is a very special building to us because we loved Big Lots. This is who you love to dress up as, Michael Myers. Ooh, look at him. Oh, they do have the Jason animatronic. Do you want to see activate it?
Yeah.
Oh! I don't think that was supposed to happen. Look at her, Declan.
Oh, yeah.
And you can interact with her. She's interactive, so you can say luck, power, love, or money.
Power is delicate. Beware. Great strength can be deadly.
Give me money.
Luck.
You look tormented. Do you need help with your love life? Do you crave power? Is it money problems or luck you're after?
Did someone break it? Because it's wide open.
Yeah.
Oh, Declan, what you're looking forward to seeing.
Yes. I love xenomorphs. He's probably gonna jump out.
You think so? Oh, yeah, he sure did.
Get out of my way!
Oh, he said get out of his way.
Or suffer.
Now look at this one.
Look at that skeleton.
Look at this guy.
Oh.
He is creepy. Ooh. There you go. Now I know the one you're looking forward to seeing the most is this guy. And there's a lot of controversy surrounding him because a lot of resellers are buying him and selling him for like $3,000.
Yeah. Oh, and look, even that is custom.
Oh, it sure is, isn't it? Oh, is he broken already? Oh, there he goes.
Yes.
There he goes. But see, would you pay $3,500 for that?
I would pay the price they're doing it for, though.
$500? You pay $500 for him.
He's worth it. Because
Wow.
he makes the laughs he makes in the game, the song.
Oh, okay. All right. I still think $500 is a little too much for him.
Maybe
but
400.
you're the Freddy fan. Now this is something that I really want. So I think it's gonna come home with us today. And it's from Jason Universe. It's $46.99. And then they've got the Crypt Keeper. Oh, this is a really cool one too. And this is they've got Lizzie Borden, Jack the Ripper. Here's a Lizzie Borden bust for $39.99. And I assume Jack the Ripper is the same. Oh, here we go. Bloody Mary candle holder for $14.99. And the Lizzie Borden one, that one's really cool. And also, Till Death Do Us Part. And here's a Jack the Ripper picture frame for $19.99. And Lizzie Borden with her axe for $19.99. Declan found something he would love to take home.
Yes,
this
but
Stormtrooper premium costume helmet accessory.
And there's something like...
Does it talk?
No, it's just a cool Darth Vader mask, but look at the inside.
Wow.
And it's like $17.
Wow, that's not
Let me-
terrible.
This is probably so much though.
It's probably a lot, yeah.
$100.
Wow. Here's Darth Vader costumes. You love your Darth Vader. There's Boba Fett. Oh, your favorite. Finally, Darth Maul.
Oh, but it's an adult.
Oh, man. Declan would love to be Darth Maul because that is his favorite Star Wars character. Here's the Terrifier section. They've got Art the Clown Santa.
And then an Art the Clown inflatable.
An inflatable, oh my goodness. Here's Art the Clown mask with the sunglasses.
Oh, this must be a paint. Oh.
Oh, it's broken. Ooh, look at this one, Declan. Oh.
Oh, that's very nice.
Oh, and it comes with a hat.
Oh.
It is $30. Yeah, you would wear something like
Oh,
that.
cosmetic kit. And then all of his glasses.
Oh, that's funny. Here's a table leg, an axe,
And
Art the Clown
a magic sword.
knife.
Oh,
So here's a female Art the Clown, a little pale girl. Ooh.
this is very nice.
Yeah, that's from It Welcome to Derry. We haven't finished that yet. And it's always fun looking at these. Look at this one, Declan,
Oh,
with the hook in his eye
Yeah.
for $40. There's a pig's head. It's Zero's tombstone.
oh.
How much is it?
$60.
And then they've got some blow molds. Here's a cat blow mold and the dog. And then this looks very similar to, I think, what Big Lots is selling this year. $40 for this blow mold. Ooh, look at that.
Oh. Oh, it's $45.
Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I like that.
Mhm.
Wow.
I found my dog Pinky, literally.
Oh my goodness, yeah, it's a pink chihuahua.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Yeah, it is a Chihuahua.
What is the price on it?
It's $17.
$17. All right, now let's go down this aisle. Maybe we won't. Let's go back this way and see what else we can
Yeah,
find.
let's just look at this chipmunk or whatever this is.
It's a rat.
$25.
Oh, and here's the shaking fish. So we'll go back this way. Oh, look it, there's an alien. How much is the
Oh.
alien?
$28.
And why do we keep seeing Jason? Is this animatronic moving? What's going on?
Yeah. I'm starting
Here
to think it's not
is-
an animatronic.
Some body parts.
Nice to feet you.
Here is ear garland. Oh my goodness, that is creepy.
Oh.
A talking pumpkin. There's a light switch animatronic activator. Oh, I think that's what they have for the clown right now. So I think Declan might have found his costume. I think he possibly wants to be Art the Clown, but no, I will not let him watch the movies because they're a little too much for him. Oh, I guess he's upset about that. Oh, never mind. I think we found his costume. I think he's going to be Darth Maul this year because he absolutely loves Darth Maul. Costume is $60 and it comes with the hooded jumpsuit, mask, belt, and gloves. There you go, buddy. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, so we've got him a large. Now let's see what else we can find. I'm just gonna ignore that because I don't know what's going on. Like I mentioned, I think we're being stalked.
Oh.
These zombie babies are always so creepy. Oh,
Thank
that
you
one's
for
broken.
Thank you for my snack.
It reminds me of the new horror movie, Ice Cream Man. You know, Declan, I just noticed that you have a rip in your shirt. Can you explain how that happened? I think he's choosing you to be the next Jason. Put that down and let's go. Oh, here is some dream catchers, or I'm sorry, sun catcher, Frankenstein's monster, and the Bride of Frankenstein. I love this. $27. Here's a nightlight, ghost nightlight, $20. Ooh, look at the heart for the same price, $20. Do you see anything that you... What is going on? Like, why are you doing this to me, Declan? I've got to get away because I don't know what's going on.
I don't know what was happening. That was not me. You had a hockey mask on.
I had a hockey mask
Yeah.
on? No, I did not. Look at all of these cool signs. Dead and breakfast. I love this. $28. And I already have this in my room. Here's a Gothic style. Oh, look it. It's Oogie Boogie light up sign. And then they've got Beetlejuice and Art the Clown. And of course they have Jason. I guess he found what he's taking home with him. Oh, look at this 17-piece bath set. Oh, too bad it's a curtain because this would be great in your bathroom. And this is $50.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's
This is the
cute.
soap dispenser, and then there's napkins or towels,
That's
whatever.
super cute. Oh my goodness, look at, there's a ghost.
Oh.
There was a ghost. Is that for sale? Oh my goodness, it's a ghost.
I don't know if that's for sale.
That is cool. Declan keeps wanting to check out this zombie because he loves zombies. He is really cool. And then watch what he does. You see that?
Oh, hey, I am hungry. Can you just lend that to me?
That's cool.
Can you grab that for me?
No, thank you. So he does work, but his face is just open. But I used this because it says flip the switch to activate.
Yeah.
Ah, what do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear.
But yeah, he's broken. Darn. Oh, we didn't even notice
even
that.
see
Oh my goodness, that is so funny.
Oh, we didn't even see that.
It says, want to play a game. What is it saying to you?
I'm watching you.
It's watching you? Now it's singing Ring Around the Rosies. I think Declan's a little freaked out by that. Oh, canoe rental.
Oh,
Let's get a canoe from this guy.
yeah. Hey, can we get a canoe, please? Why aren't you answering me? This service is terrible. I'm giving you 1 star.
All right, so let's see what more we can find. I guess he is, he's trying to take over. Very gothic. I love this. $25. This whole area is super gothic. There's a Medusa up there. Is that like a doll face? Baby doll face? I really like this. Look at that, Declan.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
I love this section
Oh,
over
look
here
at this arrow.
with the snake.
Everyone took everything from this. They ran out of potion bottles.
Yeah, they had $5 ceramic ghosts, $1 ghost bottles, and $4 signs. Of course, that went super quick. Holy crap, this is creepy.
Oh.
Vintage clown mask for $13. Oh my goodness, that's super creepy. This cute little guy.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
I scooped all my brains out.
Oh,
Want to see?
sure. Oh, and they finally have new shirts. Oh, look,
Darth
Declan.
Maul.
I was just gonna say that. They have a Darth Maul shirt. They have Jason Lives. Oh, they have Freddy Fazbear with
yeah.
the Spirit logo. Love it. Oh my goodness. I'm digging a lot of these shirts. Here's some socks. Really like these. Halloween socks for $13. Ooh, Camp Crystal Lake for $8. And there's Ghostface, Twilight. They always have great socks here. There's some cute little backpacks. These are
Oh, and you can actually
$13.
put stuff in there?
Yeah, you could put that on your
Oh.
backpack.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, geez. I wonder how many people actually wear stuff like that. And then we've got these baby Michael Myers, Art the Clown. Oh, here's a Beetlejuice bobblehead for $13.
Dungeons and Dragons.
Gel cleans. We've got Jason Universe, Ghostface. This is cute. Halloween. These are $10. Oh, here's a mini tombstone of Madame Leota for $10. Oh, that's Lizzie Borden. Ooh, that one is really cool. Is it the same price, $10?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so we've got our bag of goodies. We'll go out into the car and we will show our little haul. I guess we just gotta walk by him. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so as you saw, we got chased out of the store by Jason, but we are gonna do our mini haul. So we did end up getting that Jason statue because we absolutely love Jason. And of course, when we went to Halloween Express, we weren't sure what Declan wanted to be for Halloween this year. And I knew when we came to Spirit, he would find his costume.
Yeah.
So he's going to be Darth Maul. How excited are you?
I am very excited.
All right, so if you like this type of content, make sure you join the Fright fam by slashing that subscribe button below because we're going to be bringing you lots and lots of spooky Halloween haunts, more spooky Halloween store hunts, and lots of more spooky goodness. Make sure you join the Fright fam by slashing that subscribe button below. And until next time,
Stay spooky.